What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cortez here, and I know I've been gone for about a week. I was taking a break. I was taking a little break, but now I'm back, and there's something really important that I have to tell you guys. But before we hop into today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and also turn that bell so you guys get notified when I upload. Now, I got my haircut, okay? And I noticed after my haircut, my hairline is thinning. It is thinning away. Now, there's only like a there's only a certain amount of causes that can make your hairline thin away or fade away. However you want to say it. Hairline loss or whatever. I don't know if it's from the P-hub, you know, jerking the turkey too much. I don't know if it's from genetics, even though my dad doesn't have hair loss or nothing like that. But even though my grandpa does, I don't know if it's from my anxiety, too much stress, too much anxiety, and I don't know if it's from putting too much, you know, wave cream in or putting too much, you know, hair products in. I have no idea. Like, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna tell you how to get your hairline back, though, because that's what I'm doing. I had to change up a whole bunch of things of mine. I had to stop going to the P-hub. I'm on NoFap. It's been 3 days right now. So I'm on NoFap. I am drinking a lot of water. I'm exercising. I stopped using my, I stopped using pomade. I'm going back to using, you know, original stuff. Like, I stopped using pomade. I stopped using wave cream. So now I'm mostly just using Cantu, grease, like hair growth grease, or, you know, oil. That's basically it. Now, as for, like, I'm looking for something that can, like, grow back my hair type shampoo. So I'm looking at that for right now. I'm looking for that. And for now, I just got, you know, leave-in conditioner. I have leave-in conditioner that I'm using. So, but yeah, I might as well go show you my hairline. But it's thinning out. This side, I think I had a part right here. I had a part right here. But as from right here, now that is just thinning out and going away. And I don't know if y'all can see, but right here, it's thinning out. I mean, I still got my waves. Waves coming through. Waves are still coming through. So, yeah. Oh, I also forgot to mention hats. Hats can make your hairline, you know, disappear or, you know, recede. But I don't wear any hats. All I wear is a do-rag and, you know, a wave cap. And that's all it does is make your hair lay down. That's it. So I changed up a lot of stuff. I stopped going to the P-hub, drinking plenty of water, exercising, using hair growth products. And we're going to see how it goes so far. I'm on day 3 of NoFap. I'm probably gonna make another video about NoFap, and, you know, just go on it from there. But yeah, a lot of things have changed. I know I haven't been on this channel for about a week, but I'm just saying it's changing, bro. It is changing. I cannot be out here looking like Tory Lanez, even though he got his hairline fixed. But I cannot be out here doing that, bro. I am only 21 years old. I cannot be doing that, bruh. So, we're gonna see where this journey takes me. Hopefully my hairline comes back and, you know, starts looking better. But it's starting to thin out. And, you know, I'm just doing a whole bunch of things differently. I'm doing, you know, sperm retaining. I'm doing a whole bunch of other stuff. Because I do not want to go bald at a young age. I'm only 21. I can't do it. Can't do it. Plus, I got a weird size head. Nah. Can't do it, bro. Can't do it. Cannot do it. So, I'm just going to be doing a whole bunch of things differently. And we're just going to see how it goes from here. I know this video isn't a really how-to, but it kind of is, but it's kind of not. But I'm just gonna show you a way. I'm just gonna you guys are gonna be on my journey going back my hairline, you know, from balding, from receding or whatever. And I'm gonna teach you my ways on how I did it, that I'm currently doing right now, you know. So yeah, goodbye 360 style. It's all blurry, but goodbye 360 style. Goodbye pomade. I'm just gonna be using oil, hair growth grease, and yeah. And I'm just gonna be stop jerking a turkey, stop going to the P-Hub. I'm doing all of that because I'm not going bald. And I advise you guys to go on this journey with me. I do not want to go on a bald. I do not want to go bald at a young age. I'm only 21. Cannot do it, bro. Cannot do it. And you know, I was freaking out. I'm not gonna lie, I was freaking out. I noticed it. Yeah, my mom told me, and I started feeling depressed. Bro, can't do it. So it's time for me to change my life and do a whole bunch of different things. So we're just gonna see where it goes from here. And if my hairline grows back or, you know, stops receding, hey, good for that. Then I guess I found a cure for my hairline. But yeah, I changed up a whole lot of different things. Stopped the masturbation. Stopped using these wave products. Cause I did tell y'all a story in which this made my checking my hair fall out. So I'm gonna stop using that. I'm gonna stop putting a whole bunch of products in. And yeah, just gonna see where it goes from here. I'm also gonna start using light brushes too. I'm not gonna use hard brushes. So see if that changes anything. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I have no idea, but we're gonna see. And yeah, it goes from here. Hopefully it just works out all in the end, you know? Pray and hope that it does. I don't know if you guys are going through anything like this where your hairline is starting to fade away or starting to fall out, and you might know the cause of it on the inside, and if you do, you're gonna have to stop and you're gonna have to change whatever that is, like I'm doing. So I just gotta, you know, bear with it, see where it goes. And yeah, because some people said this you know, sperm retaining and not masturbating does help your hairline to grow back, and to help it stop receding. So we're just gonna see how that goes. Also, it said it can also lead to, you know, hair loss. So I don't know, but we're just gonna see from here on out. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. Got my hair cut, you know, got the little fade and stuff. My waves are still coming in. As you can see, they're coming in at the top. You know, this bald patches, it's not looking good for me. It's not looking good for me at all. So there's a lot of things I gotta change, a lot of things I gotta do. But yeah, ridiculous, bro. At age 21. Imagine if you were starting to go bald at age 21. I know y'all would feel some type of depression. I was about to say depression. I know y'all feel depressed. I know y'all have anxiety. Maybe some of y'all won't even care. Who knows? But I care. I care about my hair. I love my hair. Gotta have my hair. I can't go around being bald, bruh. Ain't nothing wrong with bald, but I just can't do it. At the age of 21, no. But if I'm around 50, oh yeah, I can go around being bald. I can do it. I can surely do it. But yeah, that's it for this video. I guess I don't know what to really call this video. I don't know if it's the how to get your hairline back, or say how to get your hairline back, or hairline, you know, receding, but I have no idea, bro. I'm just gonna be on this journey. Hopefully you guys can join me on this journey. And yeah, but if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me if you guys having similar problems to this. But yeah, with that being said, I am out. See ya.